Hi Sunshines! Welcome and welcome back to the channel. So if you're new here, I'm Sherlan, and for today's video, mag-edit kasi sa iPad lately. So kung nakita nyo yung previous posted video ko from the Omniverse Manila, sa iPad ko lang siya inedit. So for today's video, I would like to show you how I will use some new and not so new products that I have, pero all local brands. So I have mostly the Get Ready With Me products, and I also have Detail Cosmetics, yung kanilang Dream Skin Satin. And I also have yung bagong squad na Lock It In. And I have the foundation from Get Ready With Me. And also a blush on. This is from BLK. Ito yung parang Patrick Ta na style nila. So, medyo ginaya of some sort. But this is a good one. I got the matte. It's the Velvet Rose. Yan. So, let's try everything. So, I already have a moisturizer sa skin ko. And then, I'll use the Aqua Grip. This is from Vice Cosmetics. So, I have this matagal na. And it works naman for me. Only for the T-zone. Let's see. Kasi dyan tayo medyo oily. I don't need a lot. Lalo yung mga dito kasi medyo dry naman. So, press and roll. Yan. And then, let's use the Divine Illuminator. So, gawin ko tong parang base for my face also. Medyo may sheen siya. Kung makikita ninyo. Pero it's very light sa face. And I'm using a beauty blender. This is the OG one. Actually, medyo matagal na akong hindi bumili ng OG na beauty blender. It just so happen na merong mga sale. So, bumili ako like ng dalawa. So, I used one lately. And I have to say, but let me know your thoughts. Kasi ang dami ng beauty blender talagang lumalabas. And this is the brand, the beauty blender brand talaga. And ang dami ng mga local brands na lumalabas with the beauty sponge. And even mga imported ones. Pero, tell me, please comment down below kung ano talagang feeling nyo towards the beauty blender and the other ones. Kasi, for me, nung ginamit ko siya ulit, parang nag-bring back lahat talaga ng memories ko na parang, this is it. Na ang kanta niya talaga, iba talaga yung lapat niya. I don't know kung anong pagkakaiba niya dun sa mga sponges, kung anong sponge ang ginagamit nila. Pero iba pa rin talaga. So don't quote me na hindi ko gusto yung mga beauty blenders or beauty sponges na lumabas. Kasi I'm using the Vice Ganda, I'm using the Strokes, gusto ko din sila. Pero I also have the Real Technique. Yan yung pinaka-gamit na gamit ko din most of the time. Pero, pansinin nyo, when you use the beauty blender, iba lang talaga. As in, I don't know, or ako lang talaga. Iba lang talaga ang lapat niya. Pero, since expensive nga, you cannot have this one all the time. So, I use it kapag special occasion lang, or pag feel ko lang na gamitin, ganyan. Pero, hindi talaga ganun kadalas, kumbaga. So, let's use the Get Ready With Me foundation. So this is the LMN20 Pebble. So let's shake it. So this is the Get Ready With Me foundation. Medyo flowy siya. So let's see how this will work. Na-try ko na to once. And it's buildable, medium to full coverage, as you can see. So let's start with my creams and liquids. Yan. So, I blended everything. Medyo maputi pa rin siya sa akin, pero we'll work this out. Yan. We'll use all local brands that I have. For my eyebrow, line ko lang a bit, pero matagal na ako hindi nakakapag-thread. So for the concealer, I have two brands right now. I have Detail and I have the Vice Cosmetics. And the Detail one, pareho siyang ginagamit actually for daily use. I was just so sad kasi si Vice Cosmetics, di ko alam, may leak. So parang nag-leak yung liquid concealer, pero it's good. Sobrang gustong-gusto ko siya. I'll just put some here. And then for the Detail, gawin natin magkaiba. I have the Fresh Filter Concealer. So I got Meringue and the Buttercream. Isang concealer and the other one is a corrector. So parang peach siya. So ang ginagawa ko, just some here. Because we'll blend that out naman. One here. Yan. Medyo mas maputi yung sa Detail. Pero, when you blend that out, I'm sure, mag-blend siya. So, I want to set my eyes na muna para we can put some eyeshadow. So, I'm using the Get Ready With Me, the loose powder in pink. Yung kanyang pink powder. Bright and pink. And set ko lang yan. Tapos, let's just use quickly lang yung Get Ready With Me Quad Tone. Sorry, Get Ready With Me Quad Goals. Yes, I have the Dawn Tone, kulay pala to. The Fan Fiction, the Hanan, and the Timeline. So, I got like a blush, a contour powder, and a highlighter. So, for today's video, let's just use the brown one. This one. Ano lang natin? Lagyan lang natin color yung ating eyelids. Because I want this to be lighter yung ating eyelids, because yung blush on ni BLK somewhat very pigmented, so kitang kita sa face. Look, ayan na nga, nagli-leak yung kay Vice Cosmetics. I don't know why. Something's wrong with the packaging. And sad kasi gusto ko yung product. So, ayan no, nag-leak siya. Gusto ko yung product pa naman. So, I make sure lang na nakatayo na siya lately. Kasi nag-leak siya. Anyway, so I want to contour and use the Get Ready With Me Chroma Aesthetics. Yan. So, I have the Boracay and the Phoenix. Yan. So, cool tone yung isa, the Phoenix, and the Boracay is a warm tone. So, I use this for bronzing, yung Boracay, kasi it's more on a warm color. Yeah. Let's use the beauty blender pa rin. medyo nagda-dry up yung stick, pero you have to blend it well, or even use a mist. So let's spray some mist muna. This is from Elana. Yeah, the flower mist. Still a local brand. Yan. And then under eyes, let's set my concealer with the same powder that I used. Then let's do the Pachikta way of doing your blush, because I believe tong si BLK, yun ang kanyang peg. So ang ginagawa with Pachikta is that you do the powder first. Yan. Make sure to tap, medyo marami ang fall off natin. And then I'll be using the cream one. You can use a spatula, or you can use your favorite brush for creams. Napapansin ko lang while doing this, yung powder first before the cream one, is that meron siyang natural glow na mabubuo when doing it. Actually, it's just a Pachikta way, siya lang nagpauso, pero if you do it, even kahit saang product, it's okay. I mean, it's good. Ganyan pa rin ang kalalabasan niya, napapansin ko. Kasi I've been testing some products, ganun ang ginagawa ko. Yun pa rin ang lumalabas. Meron siyang natural glow talaga na lalabas sa sa face ninyo. So I will be setting my face with the Detail Dream Skin in natural beige, neutral undertone. So it's satin. Yan. So this one, wala lang siyang mirror, and medyo may fall off din siya, pero ang gusto ko sa kanya, may coverage siya. So if you can see, may light coverage. This is to secure your liquids and your creams. So, para hindi masyadong harsh ang mga lines, you can tap this lightly around. There you go. I did my eyes off cam kasi medyo mahirap siyang gawin. So, let's, well, I did an eyeliner lang. It's from MAC Cosmetics, yan, yung kanilang pot eyeliner. So, I'm loving it lately. Tip lang, when using it, please make sure na pagbukas nyo, kumuha kayo ng product, it's either isara nyo siya or itaob nyo siya para yung hangin hindi papasok sa kanya and magda-dry up yung product. But anyway, so I feel na parang ang puti-puti ko pa rin. Let's use the Get Ready With Me, yung tan lines yan. Yung pang bronze nila na kulay. So, I'll still put some slight here. Konti sa nose. So, this is a quick look lang guys. And as you can see, mabilisang pag-makeup ito. Kapag meron kayong quick errands lang, you know, this is something that you can do. I'm lining my lips with the Get Ready With Me. Ito hindi ko makalimutan kasi it's Anne. Yan, that's my second name. And then I'm using the Elana Lip in Luxe liquid lipstick, this one. This is in Love is Life. Yan yung mga pangalan nila. Love is something, love is yan. So, this is the color that I use for daily makeup. This is in matte. Yan. And if you want some gloss, yeah, I still have the Strokes Silk Kiss Cozy Nude. Yan. So, gustong-gusto ko to because it adds some gloss. To my lips. Lastly guys, I got the Squad Lock It In. 30 ml lang siya, konti lang siya. And if hindi kayo masyadong mahilig sa coconut na amoy, don't buy it kasi may smell siya ng coconut. And yun nga, maliit lang, konti lang. It's $1.99 sa stores, but I bought this for $149 only online kasi may mga discount sila lately. So, let's use this one. So, here's the final look, guys. Medyo nag-dark lipstick tayo, actually. But I'm loving the blush and actually everything on it. Everything on my face. It's looking good. Well, also because I did prep my face. Nag-exfoliate ako this afternoon. And it's lapat sa face talaga kapag nag-exfoliate tayo. And yun nga, medyo naka-mood ang aking mukha. But this is a simple makeup and the products are very simple. They are all local brands. So it's something that you can buy sa mga stores, sa SM, Watsons at an affordable price point. So if you want discounts din online, you can go to their online stores. Lahat sila may mga ino-offer na discounts. But as I mentioned, this is easy, quick, and kung makikita nyo naman, it's a natural makeup, good for daily use. Yan. So, thank you guys for watching. I hope you like this video. Please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. And I hope I'll see you all guys on the next one. Bye!